A particle is executing a simple harmonic motion, that is SHM. Its maximum acceleration is alpha and the maximum velocity is beta. Then its time period of vibration will be the time period, that is we need to find the value of the time period here. So that is t. You need to find here. Okay. Now for simple harmonic motion, the maximum acceleration is given by, that is a max, which is equal to omega square into a. So that is they are given as alpha. And the maximum velocity that is given by Vmax is equal to omega into a, which is nothing but beta. Then, so we can write this one as alpha divided by beta is equal to omega square a divided by omega a. It will get cancelled. We will get the answer only omega. Or we can write in another factor like alpha divided by beta is equal to omega is nothing but 2 pi by divided by t. Then we can write it t is equal to 2 into pi multiplied by beta divided by alpha. So this we can see in the option A. Option A is our right answer.